Do you smell that?
Yeah.
It smells like weed.
That is good smelling weed.
That is some dank smelling weed. Someone trying to light off fireworks still?
Yeah.
Why would you light off fireworks?
Why?
I think we're stupid for being out here like already.
It's pretty close. The rain stopped. It moved away.
The rain just out of nowhere stopped. I saw that one on the side of my eye. There's lightning coming from there to there and there. I don't know which one's going to be bigger, so I don't know where to point the camera. Oh, that was a good one.
I wish I had my camera with me. I could tape one side.
Oh my gosh. Dalton's ass probably got set on fire by now.
He's gonna watch this video and he's gonna be like, "You have so much faith in me."
I know. Wow, I was facing right towards that one. Ah, missed it.
And here comes the rain again.
Yep.
We make video tomorrow?
For sure. Oh my god, I wish I was pointing towards that one.
I know, I saw it.
Oh, I still see more over there.
Ow!
Wow. That one was so bright on my phone. Oh, I missed that one.
Right on my eyes!
One's coming over there. My brother's scared, that's why he's closing all the windows and shit.
Dumbass. And here comes the rain again.
And then it stops.
Fuck you.
The rain is so confused right now.
I know, I was like, do you want me here or not?
I'm just listening to the thunder and then following where the lightning's gonna be.
I ain't going home till 11.
There's gonna be one over here somewhere, I know it. Yep. Listen for the thunder, tell me where it comes from. Heard one over here.
Oh, you got that!
I got it! I can hear Schlub barking.
Schlub.
Schlub. I can hear him barking. I named him.
him.
Okay, it's gonna be one over here, just watch. I know it. It's gonna be a nice one too. Oh my god.
Missed it? I missed it?
I got it.
Hey! Jesus Christ! Come on!
Thunder's over there.
And watching,
Thunder's over there.
and you need to close this so the bird doesn't get in.
Okay.
Scared the crap out of me. Even though I just took a crap.
Ow. Do you hear any thunder?
No.
Just wait for it. Oh, I missed that one.
What kind of bugs would get in
Over
here?
there.
It's raining?
Over there. Just gonna be a nice one over there.
My hair is getting wet. And it's cold. It's cold.
Do you hear that sound?
I don't like that noise.
There's gonna be one over here. Watch. Watch the sky. Damn it, there's gonna be one over there too. It's too hard to do.
Here again.
Nah, going home at 11.
Is it raining now?
Yeah, pretty hard. It keeps raining and then it'll stop.
Yeah.
Oh, don't turn the light on, it's ruining the video. We're taking a video of the thunder. Oh my god, it's raining! It's cold! Mike, can we have an umbrella, please?
No.
Why not?
You're mean.
Oh, I got that one!
Awesome.
Raining. It just did my hair. Oh, KK, watch over there.
Ow! That was my toe.
Watch over there. There's gonna be one right over there.
And here comes the shower.
It's fine. They're miles away. Yeah, they're miles away. We've counted the seconds already between lightning and thunder. They're like 5 miles away.
Should turn off your computer.
No, Matt, we'll be in a second. Just getting some good footage here. Hater.
You don't have anything that could be used as an umbrella.
We have umbrellas.
Where are they?
If you go into the garage, there should be a little short green or blue one close by the refrigerators. Ah, it's raining on me! I'm going in! Until we find the umbrella.